Hello, dynamic entrepreneurs and visionary founders. Today, we're zeroing in on a game-changing principle for your pitch deck, the power of simplicity. Let's uncover how stripping back to simplicity can not only enhance the beauty of your presentation, but more importantly, its effectiveness. Simplicity is your ally in conveying a clear, compelling narrative. Ask yourself, does every element of your pitch deck serve a clear purpose? Is your value proposition immediately apparent? Simplifying your deck ensures that your core message is not lost in the noise. Consider your design choices. Are your visuals aiding your narrative or overwhelming it? Opt for clean, impactful visuals that communicate your points more effectively than words alone could. Focus on what's essential. Distill your content to the most critical elements: the problem you're solving, how you're solving it uniquely, and the market opportunity. This focus makes your pitch not only easier to follow, but also more memorable. Remember, simplicity doesn't mean omitting crucial information. It means presenting that information in the most accessible, engaging way possible. It's about making it as easy as possible for investors to see your startup's value and potential. By embracing simplicity, you're not just cleaning up a presentation, you're sharpening your message and making it resonate more deeply with your audience. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How have you incorporated simplicity into your pitch deck, and what impact did it have on your audience's response? Share your experiences, and let's inspire each other towards crafting clear, concise, and powerful pitches.